Good morning, students. Today we will be looking into the module 4 of your subject on management and internship for IT industries. And this module 4 basically deals with preparation of project and ERP. Okay, this preparation of project and ERP. Anybody knows what is ERP? ERP. You know TRP, that I know. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. You also have resource. You have money resource is a resource, cloth is a resource, time is a resource. Okay. You are managing that properly. So the industry also has got some resources. They have to be managed properly. So in this module, we will see the preparation of project, what is the meaning of project, how we are going to identify the project, okay. So in this discussion, we are looking at meaning of project, project identification, project selection, project report, need and significance of report, what are the contents of your project report, formulation, and there are guidelines by planning commission. Now what is the name of planning commission now? New name, anybody? This is a old planning commission, old term. The old, new anybody knows? It is known as Niti Aayog. It is known as Niti Aayog. Okay. National for Transforming India. NITI, okay. So you don't know all these things, you know only all unwanted things. So now we will also discuss about ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning. What is the meaning and importance? ERP and the functional areas of management. What is marketing and sales? Can anybody tell me what is the difference between marketing and sales? Huh? See, your knowledge is very high, I know that. You don't know what is the difference between marketing and sales. Okay. Then we will look into supply chain management, financing, accounting, human resource, okay. So what is a project? A project is an organized unit dedicated to the attainment of goal. The successful completion of the development project on time, within budget, in conformance with the predetermined program specifications. Now again, if I discuss like this, you will not understand. So again we will go to the case study approach. We will go to the case study. Now let us say one project, suppose you want to manufacture, there are two things only, either production of something or servicing. Service or production. You tell me which we will discuss. We will discuss accordingly all these things according to one example. Which example you like, tell me? Which project you want to discuss? Or you are, because you are software engineer, we will discuss about software you want to say, or manufacturing product, anything you want to discuss, you can discuss that also. So then only you will understand. Otherwise simply this English is of no use unless you involve in that learning. This teaching learning is a passive way of learning. You are not actively involved in learning, but there should be active involvement. Then only you learn. Okay. So tell me which example you will take? Software development. Yes. I think I am also not very confident on that, but still we'll try out. So this software development, suppose now instead of being employees, some of you join hands like Infosys has done or Apple has done. You join hands because you are like-minded people, you have spent some 4 years in this campus, you know each other, you are from same place. Suppose you decide to start a startup. You can start a startup in college also. A lot of the college, they are given office, computers, infrastructure for startups. So you can start a startup. Now let us take that you are starting a startup for software development. Now let us be more specific. In software, what kind of software you want to develop? Now if you say there is software called ERP, I told you enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning means, suppose any industry is there, you take any industry, Binga for example, they make caustic soda, very good. So that they get the salt, they process it, and then they make caustic soda and other byproducts also, right? So there is a material getting in, raw material, there is a manufacturing process inside, and there is final product. So all the products, because they make in huge quantity, they come in trucks, correct? For processing also they use a lot of electricity, lot of machines are there. I have visited that plant, lot of machines are there, lot of people are there to man those equipment, even maintenance staff is there, and the final product also is sent in tankers only. Then input, processing, output. Got it? So now these resources, like what are the resources in a Aditya Birla plant? You have seen anybody? You take your kitchen for that matter. Your kitchen is in, you are preparing food, your mother is preparing food. Okay? Take your house. Simple example, take your house. Right? Now in your house, that is also ERP only. Your mother is doing that. You don't know. Now in your house, you may get some money. Your father earns or mother earns, somebody earns. There is some money coming in. Right? That is the income. Then there are expenditures. Like what are the expenditures for your house? Electricity bill, then gas cylinder, very good. Groceries, very good. Ration is called grocery only. Okay, next. Water bill.
Personal essential, that is soap,
Soap, shampoo and all, yes. Then your house rent. No, you get involved. You are not a mute spectator. I have seen you. You are not involved. You are trying to act smart. Don't act smart. You are a student, and students should act like student only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಟೀಚರ್ನ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್, ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್. ठीक है? Yes. You have to pay rent for the house. Otherwise, house is taken on loan. Loan interest you have to pay. Means you are not aware of what happening in your house. Then what do you know about IT industry? When you don't know what is happening in your house, then what the hell you learn about IT industry, man? You should know at least what is happening. Right? Tax you have to pay. House tax you need to pay. Very good. Your newspapers, magazines, whatever you buy, that you need to pay. Health, very excellent. Health expenditures are there. If you go sick, you have to pay for health. Some insurance payments will be there. Then I just gave an example. These same things are there in industry also. Now you told health, some they have hospitals or clinics, they have to pay for that. They have to pay for electricity, they have to pay for water. Now water, groceries you told, raw material they have to pay. Correct? Machine maintenance is there. For that they have to pay. Your mixie, TV, anything goes wrong, you have to pay for that. Right? Similarly, industry also works on the similar lines. In your house, your mother is cooking some food. I have seen the best of industries. Your Amway products are there, na? Gillette and all. I have seen that contract manufacturing plant in Hyderabad. I visited. Same thing they are having. Like your house, you are having in house, how they cook, you take a stainless steel vessel, you heat the vessel, you put all the ingredients, you mix it, either you boil it, fry it, correct? Same thing happens in industry. But that is on a big scale. Here you put with a small spoon, there they pump it. They pump it. They can't put by hand, it is pumped. So 500 kg is this, 100 kg is this. So atom pump. You have seen Discovery Channel, in that you will see a lot of how things are made. factory made, all same. Food tech, very good, food tech and all. So you understand, you have to, unless you have to get involved, then only you'll understand. So that is a project. These are all the expenditures or resources. How you manage? Because now you are acting so unwise because you are not involved yourself in your house management. It clearly indicates you have no understanding about how the house is managed. And if you are not able to understand how your house is managed, how you will understand IT industry management here? Please think it over very seriously, I am telling. High time, now you are in pre-final. This is pre-final, no? Now listen to the definition again. Now we are talking about software development, and if you want in software development, I was telling ERP is one software. ERP also there is software, like one SAP. You have heard of SAP? This is for ERP. Lot of jobs are available on globally. I am not talking about India. This software is, of course, globally. It is not something applicable only to our state or country. Used worldwide, right? So a project, now you are understanding this, or you want any other software you want to take? You understood how to manage this. Now, for example, I will give one more example. You take basic. Suppose you are eating rice at home, right? You are eating rice, correct? There should be rice at home every day. Simple. Who is looking at that? How much rice is there, how much I have to buy, when I have to buy, what quantity I have to buy. Who is looking into that? Mother. Correct? If your mother leaves the house and goes to her mother's house, then who manages that? Huh? Madam, I will meet you. So, I gave an example of one item. You don't know when your rice has to purchase. What is the quantity of rice to purchase? You know. What is the quality of rice you should purchase? You don't know. From where you purchase? You don't know. What is the cost of it? No, how ignorant you are. How you determine the quality of rice? You don't know. What rice your father likes or mother likes? You don't know. You know? I make biryani, so my biryani rice is different. My pulao rice is different. I have different rice. You come to my house, almost 1 dozen rice I am having here only. One example I am giving. Quantity, quality, from where you buy, when to buy, how much to buy. You understand this is a resource. One resource I told. How it is planned. This is all embedded in your mother's head. It is embedded in your mother's head. But in industry there is no mother, there is software. Okay? Now this more shop is there, or big bazaar you have seen, organized retails. So what is the quantity, how much they are sold, what is the balance quantity, how much is in the warehouse, when I have to order. This is all done by software, not done manually. It is not done. Now you understood what is enterprise resource planning. So when I speak of ERP, what will come in your head? Rice. Okay, so a project is an organized unit. Now you are talking about preparing a ERP software. You guys are going to open a startup for ERP software, okay, and you are going. That is the project what you are planning, okay, as a startup. So now I will define it. A project is an organized unit. Some people are involved for the attainment of goal. What is your goal? To make the ERP software, correct? The successful completion of a development project on time. So when you are going to make this project, you have to specify time, na? Say 1 year, 2 years, something time has to spend, not till you become buddhi. It will not happen like that, na? So there is some time specification is there. Budget. Money, there is some constraint on budget. So I am going to prepare one project. Say I will spend some 20 lakhs on that. This may be your project, you all pull in some money and make, correct? Got it? And in conformance with the predetermined program specifications. See, when you make a software, who is going to buy? Industries are going to buy. You cannot make some stupid thing and think that they will buy. You have to go to the industry. You have to talk, sir, what are your raw materials, how you process. You have to get some inputs from them. Then only you can make a software. No? Correct? You are getting me? Now you understood the definition of project? I don't want to go further. There many people have got many definitions. You can go through that. Now, what is the project identification and selection? Project identification and selection. The project selection is a well outlined game plan. There is a definite procedure of selecting a project. Basically, project selection consists of two main steps. One is project identification and project selection. So, already you have identified the project. Which project you have identified? ERP software. Correct? But before that, there should be idea generation. There should be idea generation. See, one more thing I will tell you. That is the main problem which happens. Very important point I am telling you. Here you are all eating food at home. How your what you had breakfast today? Chapati. No, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Yeah. Neer dosa. Now listen carefully. Your mother is cooking some food. What she is cooking, which you like, please, correct? Which you like to eat, which is healthy, which is economical, correct? Try to understand. Means you are the user for your mother. She is making the food items based on the user needs. She has identified, my daughter will not eat biryani in the morning, she will eat only in the afternoon, so she will not make biryani in the morning, correct? You are getting my point? What is the item to be made, when it has to be made, how much quantity has to be. These are all again planning. Because rice is a resource. I give only one example of rice. There are many. I give only one example. Right? Now, how you manage this resource? What your mother is doing? She has fed the data inside. My daughter will eat, my husband likes this, my son likes this. Correct? You understood now? This is again fed in her brain. So for you, means the family, brother, sister, husband and all, she makes food. So she has understood the requirements of the family members and then she has made, correct? Or she is making whatever she likes, which you don't eat. It happens like that? It doesn't happen like that. Similarly, when you are making a product ERP, first you should know who is going to buy it. Does he require it? What is his requirement? How much he will pay money for that software? Whether I will sell the software directly or we will have some annual license. Because you will make updates, no? All softwares will come with some updates, patch and all. Correct? How you are going to charge? Got it? Whether you want to give an app to them on that, so that they can feed that on mobile phones. You are getting a point? So first, instead of saying that I will make a ERP software, you should go and ask people what they want. Here the canteen fellow is bringing some food, snacks, everything you are eating. So do you think he is bringing something which you don't eat? He will only bring those things which are being sold, which he is able to sell and make money, right? So customer focus should be there. What focus should be there? Customer. Now I am teaching you the subject. I can read the textbook. Already videos are uploaded on YouTube, you know that. But still I am teaching. I am taking the method of case study. We are having the method of case study so that you understand better. I have come down to rice, I have come down to biryani. Why? Because then only her mind will activate. Yeah, now let me listen. Right? And these ideas, now suppose you are 10 people, you can brainstorm, sit and discuss. You may get ideas. Or you may go outside, do some market research. You have seen a market feasibility, we have seen yesterday day. We will go to them and get the. Understood now? Correct? So what you want to do? First you should know who are your potential customers. Correct? What are their needs? Basically any enterprise, anything you do, it has to satisfy somebody's needs. Correct? It is not that your mother will make whatever she likes only. What she knows, she makes same thing. Nah. You will make what you like. Right or no? Correct? Very simple example I am giving. Similarly, when you want to venturing into any startup, you should know what the customer, who are the customers first, what are their needs. Right? Even take a classic case of mobile phones. So many things have come up in that. Why? Because customer, ye dil mange more. Correct? So many things are being added. Then you can also see the emerging trends kaisa chal raha hai. Suppose now you are making you have planned for ERP software. So there are not, you are the only superstar here, na? There are many superstars already in the game. You should talk to them. क्या कर रहे हैं यार, उनका क्या प्रोडक्ट है, उनका क्या एडवांटेजेस है, क्या कॉस्टिंग है. करेक्ट? या तो then you can make a substitute product also. It can be like main product, or you can make some specialized product also for somebody. Suppose you take a ERP software for engineering colleges. That is also that. Specialized. Okay. Then you will get data from various government departments. I told you, government also comes out with lot of data. Not only our government, all the countries in the world. You will get data from India, Japan, America. Because when you make a software, it is not software for any local place. It has to go globally. Right? Then you can also know whether other persons are successful or not. Suppose you want to develop and you see there are another 3-4 startups, they all failed. Then what do you want to do? Management. What management? Tell me now. You want to make that ERP software. You saw that there were 5 other players earlier. They startups. They wound up. So what you are going to do? Very excellent. Why they have failed? First point. Analyze why they have failed. Get ideas from them. Because whatever mistakes they have done, you will not repeat the same mistake. You agree with me? Now these all things will come in your report. That is why I am discussing this, means your report will contain all these things. You will see how beautifully that planning commission has come out with the guidelines. So who are your competitors? You will be coming to know, hai na? Okay, so now idea generation is over. Coming to project selection. So based on all these ideas, then you will select a product. So the project selection starts from where the identification ends. While you identify, then you start selecting. See, whatever is being discussed, you can apply in personal life, it can be applied in professional life also. Okay. So, and other day I told about SWOT analysis. You heard of that SWOT analysis? SWOT. Correct? That is, again it comes here. What is SWOT? S, strengths. W, weakness. O, opportunities. T, threats. Which are internal, which are external factors? Strengths and weaknesses are internal to the person or company. Threats and opportunities are external. Simple, right? So you will do that SWOT analysis. You will identify your own strengths and weaknesses. So you have to improve your strengths, reduce your, correct? Okay. Now this project selection के लिए I will give one there is one diagram here, you can see. Okay, so first is your product. So your product is a software now because you are from IT industries. Then what is the raw material? Data, very good, excellent. For your so ERP software you require data. Okay, then you have got something market, you will get the data from where? Our companies only. Then there is some investment there, total investment. Suppose you think that we'll spend 20 lakhs and develop one software. Start with. Then you may require some more money also, working capital. Some more money. There is something called working capital. You know what is capital and working capital? Capital means, suppose I want to start this example, this build college. So you have taken land, you have made building. This is all capital, one-time expenditure, heavy, very heavy expenditure. But now payment of salaries, these are all working capital. Understood now? Capital and working capital. If you make a house, you build a house, so that is capital expenditure, 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs cost. बाद में चलाने के लिए 10,000, 15,000 monthly. These are all working capital. Understood now? Then location. Now you are all in this place, so you can think we will make it here. Okay. And ultimately ownership. Tomorrow there will be a lot of problems. So to avoid that, you will have some proper understanding and come out with some organization. Correct? Now, what is the significance of a project report? Why you should make a project report? Tell me. The project report, we are talking about significance, is like a road map. Now you have got Google Maps. One nice beautiful girl will give a go left, take right, 100 meters. Correct? That is your voice, huh? Then. So, the project report is like a road map. It describes the direction the enterprise is going in, what are the goals, where it wants to be, and how it is going to be there. See, when I tell you, this is called a vision statement. Okay? Vision statement. You can have vision for yourself. You can have vision for the industry. So today I am like this. In interviews also ask, okay, Ayesha, after 5 years, where do you find yourself after 5 years? So what you say? No, after 5 years, I would have graduated, I would have got experience, then I am opening a startup and I will be successfully managing a startup. This is your vision. It can be for 10 years, 20 years, whatever it is, your lifetime. Likewise for an organization also, na? You cannot say that I am making software, I will take 10 years, then after 10 years nobody will marry also. So I can so life because that till that time you will be fully developed involved in this. See, this entrepreneurship, one problem, one barrier with this is one thing it told fear of failure. Second thing, your dedication levels are very high there. The involvement levels of a person, you take the case of your mother only, take the case, how much she is involved. Please observe today. She keeps track of everything. You say that she is a homemaker, but she tracks everything. Her husband she tracks, children she tracks, खाना बनाने का क्या, घर चलाने का कैसा, अभी का कैसा, आगे शादी का कैसा, पढ़ाने का कैसा. You understand the point? So much of involvement is there, and you all great guys are not at all involved because you are studying engineering. And the problem with our Indian people is we do not tell our children properly. We do not groom them properly. So they don't know. If I ask how much rice in your house you are consuming every month, you know? I am only giving one rise because you will understand that. So, project report is a roadmap. It will guide you where you have to go, when you have to go. Because suppose you are all doing, you have some what you call milestones. Oh, after 1 year this will be ready. After next another 6 months this will be ready. After 2 years this will be ready. Correct? You will check ना साला बन रहा है क्या नहीं, क्या टाइम पास कर रहा है, आके बिरयानी खा के चुप सो रही, कर रही कि नहीं काम, देखना पड़ता है कि नहीं. It enables the entrepreneur to know that he is proceeding in the right direction. After preparation, there is testing also. Software is not only prepared, it is tested many times. A lot of iterations will take place. It is not that you make something, oh, fantastic. ऐसा नहीं होता हो. पहला तो वर्क ही नहीं होता हो, ठीक है ना. उसको वर्क करने के लिए दिमाग बहुत दिमाग फोड़ा फोड़ी है इसमें. आई विल टेल you I don't know whether you know this car, we buy cars na, like my car that all these cars today, any third class car also you take, it has got software inside. ठीक है, engine something called ECM, engine control module. It is having so many sensors. All the sensors, what fuel sensor, air sensor, exhaust sensor, oxygen sensor, crank speed sensor, all the sensor input is coming there. It is programming and giving instructions. All these cars are having ECMs. They are having processors. Millions of calculations they are doing. That is why if anything goes wrong with the car, then that fellow will bring a laptop, connect with your car. You have seen that? Ford is there, he will connect and see kya hai, kya nahi. That fault identification happens there. Even now it is available on your screen only. This is a fault. You are getting me? And in that, the number of codes is in crores. कितने में? Google it. Whatever I say, I told you always, whenever you listen to me, I give something, you can confirm by Googling it. Okay? Now, very important thing, why you are making a project report? Why will make project report? Yes. So now I told, suppose 20 lakhs rupees you have to spend. You are having 20 lakhs, anybody? So what require? ना बाप बड़ा ना भैया, सबसे बड़ा रुपया. Require रुपया. Who is going to give रुपया to you? There are financial institutions also. That is your last module. I will discuss that also. There are financial institutions also, specially set up for this. Okay? And I will tell you honestly, this means now 2021, 22. So many startups are there. So many. Government of India, Government of Karnataka, Government of Goa, they are encouraging all these people. Start. Bhikhari mat bano. Employment दो. Atmanirbhar, oh very nice. Atmanirbhar. Very nice. I like somebody who adds to my knowledge. Otherwise, what you people are like passively sitting, staring like this, because you have no knowledge of what I am telling. And I am telling all simple things, any high technology things I am telling. I myself don't know where I will tell you. Correct again? So, especially for financial institutions, when you work out financial assistance, maybe banks, their report is required. Why? Suppose now you go and say, sir, I require 20 lakhs is this and another 10 lakh rupees for capital cost. So, who will give you money? You will go to bank, he will give this. Now this girl will go, sir, I require 30 lakh rupees. You give me, sir. He will give, huh?
No. Some documents is required.
What document he will give?
No. They will first see a project whether it will work or not. And based on
First he will say, madam, you sit down. Please sit. Huh? Then you tell, madam, what you want to do with this money? Correct? Huh? How you are going to spend this money? Who is going to spend this money? Who is going to repay it back? Correct? You know my rate of interest 8%, whether you are ready to, you are able to pay that interest. After how many years you will start paying the amount? Because if you take that 30 lakhs, you cannot start paying next month only, na? Your software will take 1.5 2 years to develop. After that you will pay. That is called moratorium period. Means that 2 years you will not pay. After that you will pay. And this 30 lakhs, whether you want now only like this or you want in installments when you want. Getting a point? You like the way I teach or not? Because this is the way it has to be taught. Otherwise it looks very bland, you know. Now we have come to the project report. You got it? So project report significance is you want financer wants that you should have a roadmap. Correct? Now you understood what is project report? You are making a document so that you can take the financial assistance. You also should know how you are progressing. Because that fellow will not pay and keep quiet now. He will say, what Prachi, after 6 months what you have done, after 1 year what you have done. He will also see, na, or he will keep quiet. I have given, oh, after 2 years he will come and do. ऐसा होता है क्या? नहीं होता ना. They will also have a track. हाँ है कि नहीं लड़की कार में भाग गई क्या? Now we will start. Now with this background, I think now with this background you understand about a project. Okay. Now what the report should contain? It should contain general information of the product. First is general information of product. General information. Right? Then who is the promoter? What is promoter means? नहीं, who is promoter का मतलब क्या है? हाँ, हम जो बना रहे हैं ना startup, you suppose you 10 fellows join hands and make a startup. So you are all the promoters, correct? उसका क्या qualification है? उसका क्या experience है? तुम लोग already you are getting a degree, engineering degree from VTU. So you are studying in AICTE approved college. College is affiliated to university. University is granting you degrees, correct? Then you will go and work for some 6 months, 1 year to get the knowledge, experience. Correct? About promoter. Third is location. Where you want to do? Where you want to do this report? So you may hire a place. Suppose you don't want to come to this place all day, every day, then you may take a small place on rent. ठीक है, Karwar, you will have some 10 PCs, you will all sit together and do. Place. Whether you are buying that land. So what are the advantages? Now suppose we have started this college which is 12 kilometers away from Karwar. Honestly, I will tell you, if I was staying in Karwar and it's a hot summer, I have to come, I will not come to college. So hot it is. I get water inside full. I don't know about you, but मेरा तो केस बता रहा हूँ मैं ज़्यादा निकलता भी नहीं इसलिए. Just try to understand. I am giving a case. Had this been in Karwar, very easy drink आने का. Location also, see everyday business है ना, एक बार आने का नहीं है. हम लोग पिकनिक जाने के लिए जाते हैं भाई, कहीं पे भी. वो महीने में एक बार, साल को एक बार चलता है, पिकनिक चलता है. रोज का रोज काम आने के लिए location also matters. Okay, then comes land and building. So some industries like Binga, they have got big land, big buildings. Correct? Your software, any big land is required? Big building is required? No, to start up with, no. See, please understand. When Infosys started 30-35 years back, they didn't have big land, big building. Today they have got. Because they have made so much of money that for training itself, they have got world-class training centers in Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad, everywhere. Correct? Because all great engineers like you will go to that company, you will have very little knowledge, so they have to do polishing business. For that training has to be given. So they have opened up huge campuses for training. So if you want to buy, then what is the cost of land, cost of construction, that will all come. But yours being a startup, you will whether want to buy land and building and do that? No. You will say, okay, I hire a premises. let us pay the rent. Today, India has a lot of real estate is available. Means land is available, buildings are available. Rent 10,000 रुपये देकर ले लो बस, खरीदना क्यों? Got my point? Then, what is the plant and machinery? For you, what require? You may require server, you may require AC, you may require some desktop computers or what you call? क्या होते हैं उसको? Machines. सर्वर के बाद में मशीन लाते हैं ना, नोट्स व्हाट यू कॉल, प्रिंटर्स यू में रिक्वायर, वाईफाई फैसिलिटी में रिक्वायर, समझ है ना, स्कैनर्स यू रिक्वायर. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द डिटेल्स, कितना कॉस्ट है उसका, यू विल मेक ना. देन व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस. प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस में सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट के लिए देयर आर सम स्टेप्स, 1 2 3 ऐसा सीरियली जाएगा. एक दिन भी तो नहीं हुआ ना. यू हैव टू डेवलप एंड यू विल बी मेकिंग सम पार्ट, शी विल बी मेकिंग सम पार्ट, everybody will divide that activities, then you start doing, then it will get integrated. Correct? वो बोलते ना फ्रंट एंड बैक एंड सॉफ्टवेयर यू हैव टू मेक ना, algorithm you have to write. Then what are the utilities? Utilities means electricity, water, gas, air. That is all comes under utilities. That also you require some expenditure. Then transport and communication. So now your mobile phone is a communication device. If suppose you may have a landline phone, then transport you have to travel, that expenditure. Then raw materials. In industry, I gave the example of rice for your home. So raw materials, what you want. Here you don't require raw materials. For software there is no raw material, but data is required. You may get some data. Then manpower. Suppose you know certain things, you are good at R, Java, Python, C, C++. You may require some other people also in that. So you may hire some people. Correct? Then products. So what is your software? Now if you make a software and say I am going to sell it for 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, some people may not be able to buy. So you will say, I got in this package there are 10 modules. 10 module full package will cost 3 lakhs. But some poor fellow is there, small industry, you say you give 1 lakh rupees only, you take these 5 modules. That software is, that option is there as in software. Fully paid, all the features are available. Less payment, less features. Correct? You are agree with me? Then market. So who is the market? You will go to industries. Before that only you will start industry. Aditya Birla factory will go on. So many Varna industrial area, Ponda industrial area. You will go and ask. We are going to make. So you will get inputs from there. क्या चाहिए यार मेरे को, ठीक है. Then requirement of working capital. I told you working capital means रोज का खर्च. That is called working capital. Like source of working capital. कहाँ से पैसे लाओगे तुम? कैपिटल एक बार देगा, बट वर्किंग कैपिटल इज रेगुलरली. ठीक है. Then there is something called collateral security. क्या? You heard of this collateral security? Suppose you want to buy, take some money. Now only, I want to go and borrow 1 lakh rupees. They will give me like that. Who are you, Baba? So I will say, I will keep this ring. This ring is worth 1 lakh rupees. I will keep. You give me loan. They will give you. So that is a security. Otherwise, you said land papers, building my house, I will pledge. So this is security. Collateral security. क्योंकि मैं भाग गया था. Already you know the example. Correct? So security, collateral security. Then this requirement of fund. I told you, requirement of fund. That 30 lakhs is not at one stage. At different stages required, like land, building, machinery, computers खरीदने के लिए, ठीक है, contingencies, small working capital, right? And then you will come out with the cost of production. So what is the cost of production and profitability? You will make a plan. Suppose I start making, after 2 years I come out with the product. So I am going to sell it for next continuously. Then what is the cost of production and what is the sale? Suppose it will cost 2 lakh rupees to produce this software and you are selling it for 3 lakhs. So you are making 1 lakh rupees per sale. Correct? So I will tell you that. Then break-even analysis. You know what is break-even analysis? I told you the other day. No profit, no loss. Means minimum. Suppose you sell 5 softwares in month. So 5 3 15 lakhs हो गया. Your cost itself is 15 lakhs, so break even. But if you sell 7 softwares, then your earning is 21 lakhs, your cost is 15 lakhs, so you are making profit. So minimum you have to sell 5 softwares per month, that is called break even. समझ आया ना? Then schedule of implementation. कब ये बनेगा, कब नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, टेस्टिंग क्या होगा, ये कब, ये कहाँ से आएगा, समझ आया ना? Software has lot of integrations. You know what is ASCII code? ASCII. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ठीक है? So you have to make as per that code. You make something and it's not useful somewhere. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना? So you understood what is project report now? Huh? Now the details are there, like whatever we have discussed these things in details, like general information, biodata of promoter. Okay. Now we are discussing formulation of project report. So biodata, नाम क्या है, experience क्या है, all partners. Then profile क्या है, तुम्हारा industry का क्या profile है. Constitution organization, suppose Parachi is putting more money, you are putting less money, so उसका share ज़्यादा होगा, तुम्हारा share कम होगा. Correct है? Then details of the product. Here it is not a product, it is a service, what we are discussing. Then product description ka, what is the raw materials, skilled labor, pollution control. See, there are some guidelines from the local authorities also. You cannot pollute and throw. So you have to get clearances for pollution control. Then communication transport facility, production process, machinery equipment, capacity of the plant. So now example, I'll give an example. You want computers to make the software. Today that computer you can get for 20,000 rupees, also 2 lakh rupees also computers are there. Depending on the RAM, hard disk, correct hai na? Processor, correct? 20,000 also will get computer. 2 lakh rupees also will get computer. Which you are going to buy? You should know your need. Now all while like you people na, all bloody useless fucker, they are all buying all big mobile phones. They don't know how to use the phone only. 8 GB RAM. अबे आता जाता कुछ नहीं, RAM लेके क्या कर रहा है? कितना चाहिए? And companies are coming out, oh 16 GB, take this 128 GB storage, 256 GB for storage. अबे बाप का पैसा कुछ कर रहा है, यहाँ बाप का पैसा नहीं है ना. Now this industry, when you are coming to some financer, he'll ask you, first he'll ask you, now you will go, sir, I require 8 GB, so this system will cost me say 1 lakh rupees or it. He'll say, why you are taking this, you take this na, 4 GB also available, very cheap, 40,000 is available. See, because the financer will see whether you are going to return the money or not. नहीं तो there will be some fellows like him, he'll take the big laptop 2 lakh, मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ कुछ समझ आ रहा कि नहीं. बाप का पैसा तुम लोग उड़ा सकते हो क्योंकि बाप पूछता नहीं है, बट बैंकर छोड़ता नहीं है, पैसा इतना इजी नहीं देता हो. यू प्लीज गो टू बैंक एंड अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ही विल आस्क यू, क्यों ले रहा है? I will give an example. When I was doing my PhD, I bought one laptop. I took voluntary retirement. I wanted a PC to do my calculations. That PC is still with me, laptop. I paid only 20,000 rupees. 20,000 ka, I bought a small either. Enough. What I am operating MS Office, MS Excel, Word, some softwares, SPSS and all. Good. Past 9 years it is with me. That laptop is there. Even till it is working. Whereas my son, he bought 1 lakh rupees laptop. बाप का पैसा है ना. So ऐसा नहीं चलता. Try to understand whatever is the need, you have to buy according to that need. Because you have to pay back that money also with interest. Otherwise you will become offender and run away. ठीक है. Then I thought you have to see the market potential also. You cannot think of a product or where you don't have any market potential. Very important. Before you venture into any product, you will always look into the market potential, not only today, you will also future. Then capital cost. Capital cost, I told fixed cost, land, building, machinery, this is all capital cost, huge, big cost, one time made. Then working capital, small cost, monthly, regular cost. Then other financial aspects, means what is your cost of production, what is the cost of sale. Suppose as I said, your cost of production is 2 lakhs. So at what cost you have to sell it? More than that, na? Correct? If you sell less then it becomes charity only. Then economical and social variables and project implementation. So one more last, I think we will wind up. There are some planning commission guidelines. Now it is called Niti Ayog, because why the government has come with guidelines, because now you are 10 fellows, you have a different mind, इसका अलग है, उसका अलग है, उसका अलग. अपने दिल से नहीं करने का बाबा, गवर्नमेंट के गाइडलाइंस है. You have seen all this now, government has got format. You fill the data in that format. तेरा नहीं लिखने का. There is a proper format, you put the data in the format. Correct? Likewise, Planning Commission has come with guidelines. Because you have to finance, na? They have to finance. Financial institutions have to finance. Bank, whatever it is. To process investment proposals and arrive at investment decisions, the Planning Commission of India has also issued some guidelines for preparing, formulating realistic industrial projects. Realistic होना चाहिए. So far as feasibility report is concerned, it lies in between the project formulating stage and the appraisal and sanctioning stage. Your project has to be sanctioned by some financial institution. The project formulation stage involves the identification of investment options by the enterprise and in consultation with the administrative ministry, the planning commission and other concerned authorities. Now, what the guidelines are? One is general information, then preliminary analysis of alternatives, third is project description, fourth is marketing plan, fifth is capital requirements and cost, sixth is operating requirements and cost, seventh is financial analysis, and eighth is economic analysis. So the 8 components. Now let us go by this. General information means, as you have seen, this all comes under general information. They will see, suppose now I said one ARP software, so they will see other companies, how many companies are there, what they are making, whether they are having enough customers. If they themselves don't have a customer, will they give the project sanction? No. अरे जो बना रहा है उसके पास ना. For example, I'll give to yesterday's example. AICT chairman, he has told another 2 years there will be no sanctioning of any engineering colleges in India, because whatever admissions are there, every college, not even 30-40% admissions are happening. So already a lot of investment is there, land, building, machinery, everything is there. They are only not occupied. Where is the fun in, what is the fun in starting new colleges? So next 2 years, 2024, they are not, another 3 years, sorry, they are not giving any opening of college. Got it now? That example I am extending here. If the software is in demand, lot of demand. How you come to know it is demand? People are paying more and buying. People are in waiting list. Then it is in demand. Got it? Can you tell me any products like this or services which are in demand? Yes, excellent. Electrical vehicles. Now that Ola cars, scooter, that is all electrical vehicles. Many are there in high demand. So waiting list 2 months, 3 months. You have to wait. It's not I'll pay money and take that scooter and go. Yes. Any other example? Huh? Train. Yeah, train. Very good. Excellent. Train also, the traveling. Train is of service. They are transportation service they are putting. But what happens? There is so much of demand. Trains are not available. Less seats, more passengers. This is a case. Then that is why you see bus rates you see nowadays. Bus rates are not fixed rate. In the lean season, from here to Bangalore, he will take in 600 rupees. But the full peak season now, Happy New Year, Christmas, double, triple. So है ना, इसका मतलब क्या? Demand, there is a gap between the demand and supply. Goa, tourism now, double rates. You go to a hotel room and book now, it is double. But after 2 months you go, half rate he will give. So, demand, try to understand this. Okay. And there is something called priority of industry. Priority means government wants to give some encouragement to industries. Priority, like food is a priority item. Agriculture को priority दे सकता है. Cosmetic को priority नहीं देगा वो. समझ में है ना? That is not least priority. जीने के लिए जो चाहिए उसको priority देते हैं. There are so many sectors. Education may be one priority sector. Now Goa, I think you know the Goa government, they are giving education loans for 0% interest. Because they want to encourage. That is called priority sector. Government will give incentive. Yeah, I never heard, here only I heard Goa is giving 0%. And this year you heard, this year you take admission, Goa pay only 20,000 rupees per semester. Goa government is going to pay per student per year 1 lakh rupees. 2021 already implemented. They want prioritizing, priority sector, understood now? Okay, then preliminary analysis of alternatives. Please listen here. The very important thing is alternatives are very important. Because what happens, you know, the morning we went for a walk. So one car came, Volvo. That is costing say 40-50 lakhs. Volvo का कितना cost है? Volvo is very expensive. हाँ. Yeah. Okay. Do you think, you know, Karwar somebody will buy 70-80 lakh rupees car? Maybe 1, 2. But you sell my car here, Swift, everybody will buy, oh, chalo, 5-6 lakh mein leta hu. That is why they have sold more than 25 lakh cars so far. Alternatives bhi dekhna padta na. Now electrical vehicles, what she told. Other day also I think I discussed with you. Electrical vehicles I have seen 40,000 rupees also is available. 1,40,000 also is available. Now that Bounce Infinity, I am seeing that ad. Who is that fellow? Who is Hrithik Roshan. Hrithik Roshan is giving ad. With the first EV in the world with a swappable battery. Don't buy battery. 50-40,000 का गाड़ी ले लो. बैटरी वहाँ से किराए पे लो, डालो. फिर डिस्चार्ज होने के बाद फिर डालो, दूसरा निकाल के ले लो. You are not seeing that Bounce Infinity. New ideas. See, this is innovation. Please understand, innovation is not jadoo. Innovation is you think what is the customer requires, how I satisfy them. Okay, so alternatives, what I was trying to tell is alternatives. You should make a software, suppose 3 lakhs people can afford, then okay. If you say I am going to sell it for 5 lakhs, you say, sorry madam, we can't afford that amount. समझ आ रहा है? Then there should be proper description of the project. Proper description, कौन बनाएगा, कैसा बनाएगा, कितना रेट पे बनाएगा, कितना टाइम में करेगा, क्या सपोर्ट करेगा, ठीक है. Then you should have proper marketing plan. Marketing plan means what I told now. Marketing, I was telling about marketing and sales. Marketing means you will go to the first, identify the customers. Then before making the product, your software, you have gone there. Say some 50 people. Then after making, you will go and tell them, sir, ऐसा हमने बनाया, ये देखो, we'll give a demo, we'll small video, we'll share, give a demo. Sit with them, they'll operate, they'll use it. Trial version, they give some trial version, 1 month trial version. You use it, if you feel like you can. This is all marketing. This is called marketing. Say after 1 month he likes your software, very good, yaar, it is saving my time, it is saving my energy, it is saving money. Then he will give an order to you. That is called sale. If you don't understand, marketing, you go and promote it, is called marketing. He buys it, that is called sale. Understand what is marketing and sales? Then capital requirement, I told you already, land, building, machinery comes under. Okay. Then operating requirement also I told, like utilities, fuel, labor cost, raw material, repair and maintenance, selling expenditure. These are all small expenditure when compared to capital expenditure. Then you will do financial analysis. See, very important is financial analysis is important. The purpose of this analysis is to present some measures to assess the financial viability of a project. I will be discussing on this, how you, I think for you that is not there in your syllabus. but that is there for mechanical in the economics part. You can see, suppose I told you, na, you have got, you take your case only, you can buy that PC for 50,000 rupees, you can buy the PC for 2 lakh rupees, but 2 lakh will be doing very fast, this will be slow. You can compare कि मेरे को ये लेना है. It is not that you should not buy 2 lakh rupees. People, there are many people who buy Apple products. Why? They are very expensive, but they buy it. Number one in the world. So many, no virus, no software, data saved, fast, reliability. Understood? Indians, we are not, our this is less, per capita income, this is less. That is we don't buy. But America and all is number one. उसका 2-3 बिलियन का ये टर्नओवर है, जहाँ हमारा पूरा इंडिया का जो टर्नओवर है वो एक कंपनी का टर्नओवर है. आई वाज वाचिंग दैट डे. हमारा देश का जो टर्नओवर है उसका एक आदमी का कंपनी का टर्नओवर है, उसका प्रोडक्ट भी ऐसा है. बट बिकॉज वी आर नॉट दैट एफ्लुएंट, वी डोंट बाय दोज प्रोडक्ट्स. वेरी फ्यू पीपल बाय. बट दुनिया में सब लोग वही खरीदते हैं, यूएस, यूरोप, जापान और बड़े बड़े वही लोग खरीदते हैं. A performer balance sheet for the project data has to be presented, and depreciation, there is one word called depreciation. ठीक है? What is depreciation? Suppose you buy a PC for 1 lakh rupees now. ठीक है? It will be useful only for 4-5 years. You can't use it for lifelong. So after 5 years you have to buy new one. Please listen carefully. You will buy a PC for 1 lakh rupees. Suppose the life of PC is for 5 years. After 5 years, you will buy a new PC. Who is going to pay that money for after 5 years? You have to keep the money, whatever you are selling. In that, you have to keep some money aside. Right? Every year, you will pay 20,000 rupees, 20,000, 20,000. 5 years, you will keep. So it will become again 1 lakh. Now, understood now? Depreciation means after the useful life of the product, when I want to buy a new product, I should have some funds. Na? That amount, what I keep aside, that is known as depreciation. Got it? The sensitivity analysis also has to be presented. I told you now, sensitivity means, agar I gave example of your product cost 2 lakhs, you are selling it for 3 lakhs, 1 lakh is saving. But if your sales are less, your costs are already 10 lakhs. So you have to see that, agar बिकेगा तो ये होगा, कम होगा तो कम हो जाएगा. That analysis you have to make. Demand, you can't say market. Now COVID में कितना लोगों का 50 crore people lost livelihoods, and you know that 50 crore because of health. Nobody knows. साला 10 लाख रुपए चार्ज कर रहा है गोवा में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. So many people have come on roads. Everybody's salaries have reduced. So many issues have happened. Sensitive analysis करना पड़ता है. ऐसा हो गया तो क्या, ऐसा हो गया. डिमांड बढ़ गया तो वो भी अच्छा है. कभी कभी डिमांड बढ़ भी सकता है. ठीक है? And then last is economic analysis, like cost and returns. Okay? And if it involves any foreign exchange, some things may require foreign exchange if you are buying some material. Okay? The enterprise should try to assess the impact of its operation on foreign trade, क्योंकि foreign को भी तुम बाहर भेजोगे ना, बेचोगे. Indirect costs and benefits, they should be included. Now you understood? This was about project report. So in our next discussion, we will take up ERP.